A while back, I asked you what's more important, ideas or execution? It was just a casual question, but I was so surprised. So many people had strong opinions about this. I mean, now that I look at it, it makes sense. It reflects on what we care about, and that's a part of who we are. Now, I wanted to get amongst the lively discussion and share the framework that helped me think through this. So for me, it all comes down to the bottlenecks, right? What's important is going to be the thing that solves the bottleneck. And I think there's one thing that's changing and one thing that's staying the same about the bottleneck. So number one, I think the bottleneck is shifting away from execution towards ideas. In this day of AI agents, ChatGPT, Claude, it used to be that even if you had the most amazing idea, if you didn't have the time, if you didn't have the capabilities, especially some technical capabilities, and you didn't have the money, it was hard to take your ideas and make it real, right? If I wanted to build software, first I need the time to do it and not be working somewhere. I also need to have the ability to code. And if I don't know how to do that, I need to hire people who know how to do that. And all of that takes a lot of time, money, effort. So yeah, the bottleneck was definitely with execution. But today, that's shifting more towards ideas. AI agents, I've been building them, I've been learning about them, I've been using ChatGPT Operator and all sorts of other off-the-shelf products, and it's surprising how well AI can execute really fast, really effectively, and really cheaply. Not all tasks yet, but it can execute pretty well. The problem, though, increasingly is that the execution is average because the ideas are average. I talked about it in this video as well. Your input has to be high quality in order for the output to be high quality. And too many of us are falling into the trap of, let me get ChatGPT to do everything. And then I realized the answer is really average. It doesn't add any value anywhere. And we get stuck in this loop. So increasing the idea density, increasing the idea quality is going to be so fundamental to increasing the output. And AI at this point still can't do it naturally by itself. So in that sense, ideas are more important. But there's one thing that's not changing about moving a project forward and making ideas a reality. And that's when things go wrong, what is your mindset to deal with that, right? And I think people who are natural executors or who had experience executing will be a lot stronger at this, which is, you get ChatGPT to write you a business plan. It's average. How are you going to deal with that? Are you going to say, oh my gosh, waste of time, let me just draw it out myself? Or are you going to say, okay, let's tweak this. Let's experiment with this. Let's see if I give it this kind of prompt, what will happen? And that ability to deal with uncertainty, deal with setbacks will not change. That is a fundamental skill that will help us as AI become bigger, better, faster, as we have to learn, relearn, unlearn a million times. That mindset of being able to deal with that uncertainty will not change. Right? That will be a crucial skill set we all need to have. So for me, ideas are going to be more important than execution, but in order to improve the quality of that execution, having the mindset of the executor, being able to continuously experiment is going to be really crucial in this messy age of the AI revolution. Let me know what you think. Ideas, execution, both, neither. Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.